Welcome to the Bowen. If you are searching for a new apartment home near Bowie Town Center, look no further. The Bowen offers upscale living in an attractive package. Come explore our fantastic apartment homes for rent with the alluring amenities and terrific location. Everything you want and more is right here. All you have to do is look. The Bowen has all of your work from home needs. Our spacious conference room with seating for 8, a TV for presentations, and a whiteboard in case you need it. Our business center with 4 computers and convenient printing. We have a partnership with Print With Me, and you can print from anywhere in the building and even from your home. Our cozy library where you can kick back, grab a book, and just enjoy your home here at the Bowen. Take a break and break a sweat at our 24-hour fitness center with yoga studio and a playroom for kids. All work and no play, says no one ever at the Bowen. Check out our upstairs resident lounge with billiards table and TVs to catch all the games. You can come up here and hang out, kick back, and just have a great time. Invite your friends. Make it a movie night in our 20-seater theater room with surround sound, plush seating. We'll even pop some popcorn for you. With on-site concierge services and package receiving, you'll love all the amenities at the Bowen. Not to mention our 5-level covered parking garage. It's so convenient and you never have to worry about the weather. Let's take a look at some of our beautiful apartment homes. Welcome to our morning glory, our 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment home. This home is very unique. It is a corner home and is flooding with natural light. If windows are your thing, you're gonna love this home. All of our homes come standard with our luxury finishes, our custom espresso cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and granite countertops. We have hardwood floors in all of our living areas and plush carpets in the bedrooms. The master bathroom is just like your spa oasis. With a soaking garden tub and a separate shower stall, has everything that you'll need, along with this amazing walk-in closet. All of our homes come standard with full-size, energy-efficient washers and dryers. The Bowen has 5 convenient elevators for moving in and moving out. Let's take a look at another apartment home. Welcome to our Lilac, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment home. The Lilac has a spacious, open living space, complete with a breakfast bar that opens up right into your living room. Great for entertaining and dining. Our homes at the Bowen have amazing 9-foot ceilings and balconies or patios in all of our homes. We hope you've enjoyed our 2 bedrooms. Let's take a look at some 1 bedrooms. Welcome to our Camelia, our most popular 1 bedroom. You're going to love this kitchen. You won't believe the view from this Camelia. A favorite feature of the Camelia is the 2 walk-in closets. In the winter, warm up next to your gas fireplace. We've got one more home on this tour. Welcome to our Amaryllis, our 1 bedroom, 1 bath apartment home. We have so much more to show you, so stop by our community today.